How to find Bybit wallet address. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So let's start by opening up Bybit application and sign in with your account. Now if you want to go with any wallet address that you want to, like let's say you want to receive some crypto into your account, so you need a wallet address. So what you need to do is to simply click on assets on the bottom right corner, and you will have the option of deposit. So simply click there, and then you will have four options. So you just need to click on deposit crypto. Once you click there, you will have all kind of cryptos that you can go with. So if you want to go with a specific crypto, you just gonna need to search for it. In my case, USDT, and click on it. Now once you click there, this is going to give you an option to choose a chain type. So you just gonna need to select accordingly. So mostly ERC20 used on all the platforms, so I will simply click on it, and then we have our wallet address, which I can simply click on it, and then I can simply copy my wallet address just like so. So now I can go with any third-party exchange and transfer my crypto from any other like Binance, Exodus, or Phantom Wallet to my Bybit account. So hope this helped. This is how you can find Bybit wallet address.